Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a node server. So I'm using a notepad++. So what we can do, first of all I will go and save this file at one location, and I will give the name as like our first node.js. So the file has been saved with extension .js. Now what we can do, we have to just come and type here where http equal to require, then type http, then here. So first of all we have to know here what is here require. So the basic functionality of the require function is that to read the javascript file and execute the file, then like process and return as a object. So using this object we can use their functionality in the code. So in our case, since we are just using functionality HTTP, that means like we are going to use the functionality of the HTTP. So we have created an object here. Now what we can do, we have to just come down and just we have to use HTTP, then create server. Here create server is like the function is used to creating a server application. So what we can do here we have to create a function. So what it will do, hey, this function will read the request and return the response. So what we can do here, function, just first parameter is request and then response, open and close. So here create server is used to create this server. Now request will listen whatever will pass from the like front end side, and response will, it will return the response. So for testing I'm going to return the response as response dot end, and just I'm going to use hello. I have saved. Now what we can do, we are just going to use listen. So what is here listen? Here we are using server.listen to make our server application to listen the specific port. So from client side, whenever the request will come here, so how he will identify like I have to go to where. So here we have to use some port. So I'm just going to give here port as a 3000. Now save this program. So here what will happen, once the request will come, after that we are sending some response. So when the response will be go, it will take the hello and it will pass to the client side. So first of all we have to go this location. Okay, this is our first node, then just use cmg. Now what we can do, we have to just come and give here node the file name. So first node, and after that we have to just come and just type local host, and what was the port number, 3000. So once you will run, you can see it is showing here hello. So for better understanding you can also create here like console.log and just here console.log server starting. So this will also help you like to identify like your server is started or not. So what you can do, just come, close this one and now run this one. So once you run, you can see here server is starting. That means like our server is running. So what you can do, you have to just refresh. It will print hello. If you want to modify anything, you can just come edit. So this is our first program. In this program we have used HTTP and we have created server and we are listening the port 3000. So in next video we are going to use Express framework. So thank you guys.